Today we're going to make a set of coasters. Okay, so these are 5.5 inches by about a 1/2 inch thick. So I'm going to rip this down on the table saw to 4 inches. All right, now we have our cutout 4 inches by 4 inches. Now just sand them down. Okay, got them all cut out, got them rough sanded. I went over just the corners of it, and now I took one of these, this is 220 grit from Harbor Freight. These are the adhesive, and I just stuck it here. I just stuck it here to my bench so I can, kind of clean the corners up a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna sand these down. So here's our four coasters, and I'm just going to take a damp cloth and just wipe any dust off of it. And so here's our 4, and I'm going to take just a damp cloth and just wipe any dust off of it. And then once it's good and dry, and I'm going to use this Minwax tongue oil finish. I've never used it before, so we're gonna try it. They say it's pretty good. Okay, so I got them all washed off, and now I'm going to connect the etcher, and I'm going to etch our initial in here. Obviously, if you're not going to do that, just jump ahead to the next segment where we put this tongue oil on. Okay, I just put a H. I just burnt that in there. So now I'm going to use this Minwax tongue oil finish. Okay, so let's see how this works. Just pry this up. Okay, I'll put a little bit here. Just cut a water bottle. Pour a little bit in there. And I don't know, I've never used it, so I don't really know what to expect. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other 3. All right, it's been about 15 minutes. So I feel kind of tacky. I'll go ahead and brush it off. And it says to wait 24 hours before putting another coat on. So I'll come back tomorrow and put another coat on. Okay, it's the next day, and I'm going to put another coat on. They came out pretty good. I don't know if you can really tell the color of it. It has it brought out the color a little bit. So I'm going to put another coat on, and we'll see what they look like after that. All right, so here they are. They're drying. I like them. I like the way they came out. Here they are. So this is 2 coats of that tongue oil, and I'll put a link in the description for that. And yeah, they came out pretty good. I'm very happy with it. I hope you liked the video. Hope you leave a comment. We'll see you on the next one.